Hi, quick unboxing here for the new STM Dux raw case for the Service Go. The back of the packaging. The case is specially used for impact protections. This case fits compatible with the type cover for Service Go, but it's not included. Let's have a look inside the packaging, and the actual case itself carried similarity of the usual Dux series cases. This part of the transparent and this edges, and this they have, I think this is like a stand or something. Yeah. Yep, there you go. Just a stand so that you can have an angle there, or let's see how far it goes. Oh, look at that, all the way to the back. Yes, and feels rigid. Oh, look at that, it's almost 180 degrees. Okay, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.